Okay, we're off. Let's see. It's a shame my other camera isn't working, but I guess that's telling me it's time to replace it. It's been... well, it's a GoPro 2, so it's been in service a long time. So I'm going to take it pretty easy on this road because there's the potential for ice and lots of gravel in the corners. And frankly, I don't want to fall off. It's too nice a day. Oh, big tree. Let's see if this is a little quieter. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, what a lovely day for a ride. I think it's saying, gosh, 8 degrees on the dash. I don't believe that for a second. That's because the engine was sitting, providing heat. I think that's going to drop down to about 5. But 5 is a perfectly reasonable temperature for riding. Oh, I do love the mid-range torque on this bike. It doesn't matter where the tack's pointing. Just open the throttle a little bit, and it doesn't matter what gear really either. And it just pulls away with a little bit of a thud. It's great. It's alive. It feels like a motorbike. They've been doing a lot of work on the trees here. I wonder if they came down or whether they fear that they're going to come down. That one certainly should go. Open water in February. Holy cow. Who'd have believed it? I do like riding when there's snowbanks though. I don't know why. I think it gives me the sense that there's something a little extraordinary about the ride. It's attractive too. Scenic variety. They're going to be working on some more trees. That'll be a way up yet. It's busy on the Desert Lake Road today. Let's see what this guy's doing. Yeah, there's something rather enjoyable about this bike. handling is lovely, just sort of neutral, but not heavy exactly, but secure. It's sure of itself. When you lean into a corner, it just it's happy to lean, but it's happy to sit back up on its wheels again. It's not very often I get behind vehicles on this road though. No, that's okay. I'm in no hurry. Just poodling along at 2500 RPM. Are they gonna turn? Yep. No. No, we're not. Oh well, never mind. Lots of sand in these corners. The whole winter's worth, actually. Although we're nowhere near through the whole winter, still I'll keep the wheels on the paved parts as much as possible. This is a gorgeous little road. I hope I'm not just blathering into this microphone and it's not picking anything up. That would be kind of silly. Well, probably find that out when I get home. Probably get home and put on the computer and all I've got just from the wind noise. But who knows? This section of road's always in awful condition. But the suspension on the Breva is, I don't know, it's set up by Guy, I suppose, who's a little bit heavier than me. So it's got plenty of, it's plenty stiff, but more than comfortable enough and not being bounced around all over the place. I've got no inclination to change it to suit me. It feels fine. Nice little spot. Fly the drone there. This is more like a gravel road than a paved road at the moment. Well, that's okay, there'll be plenty of paved parts further down. And then eventually I was back on the pavement. It must have taken at least 5 minutes for this train to pass. There are hundreds of cars, oil and God knows what's in those boxes. And just about every single car tagged. I must say, I'm rather content with the Breva. For a 17-year-old bike, it rolls along very nicely. Even though it's a modern bike with fuel injection and all kinds of computer stuff, it retains enough of the things I like about older bikes to be satisfying. Will it replace the Eldorado? Not a chance. But it may give the old girl a rest from time to time.